Hello there. Do you know what separates someone with business knowledge from someone with an expert mindset? In this lecture, we will explore the characteristics that define an expert mindset in business. We will also discuss the importance of resilience, openness to learning, and strategic thinking, which are all crucial for building a strong foundation for long term success. Let's begin this. After going through this lecture, you will be able to recognize the importance of developing an expert mindset in business, identify core traits that define an expert mindset, understand practical ways to cultivate resilience, continuous learning, and strategic thinking. The first key trait of an expert mindset is resilience. Resilience in business means the ability to handle setbacks, adapt to challenges, and keep moving forward despite obstacles. In a rapidly changing business environment, resilience becomes a vital skill. Business experts remain calm in adversity. They maintain composure when things do not go as planned. Learn from failures. Instead of viewing setbacks as losses, they see them as opportunities to learn and improve. Let's call this story the unyielding oak. Imagine an old oak tree standing through years of storms. While branches might break, the tree stands firm and continues to grow. Business experts are like that oak. They might face challenges and make adjustments, but they do not lose sight of their long term goals. The moral here? Resilience is about staying grounded and focused, no matter the obstacles. Another critical component of an expert mindset is continuous learning. The business world never stands still, and a true expert knows that learning is a lifelong pursuit. This doesn't just mean learning from textbooks or courses, it includes learning from experience. Real world experiences, both positive and negative, offer some of the best lessons. Seeking feedback. Business experts actively seek constructive feedback to improve their performance. Staying informed. They keep up to date with industry changes, technological advances, and market trends. An expert mindset sees learning as an opportunity, not an obligation. This curiosity helps them to stay relevant and prepared for any shift in the market. The expert mindset thrives on strategic thinking, which involves analyzing situations from a broad perspective, anticipating outcomes, and making decisions that align with long term goals. Strategic thinking requires evaluating all options. Business experts consider various angles before settling on a decision, focusing on long term impact. Instead of quick fixes, they prioritize choices that bring long term value to the organization. Let's use the chessboard analogy. When you're playing chess, to succeed, you do not just focus on the next move. Instead, you consider the entire board, planning several moves ahead while keeping your ultimate goal in sight. The expert mindset in business works the same way. Experts do not just look for quick gains, they think ahead, balancing current actions with future impact. An expert mindset is inherently adaptive. In business, rigid thinking can be a downfall. Experts remain flexible and open to new ideas or strategies, even if it means adjusting their original plans. Adaptability includes experimenting with new approaches. Business experts are willing to try new methods and pivot when necessary. Embracing change. They see change as an opportunity rather than a threat, accepting feedback and growth. Adaptability also means taking feedback constructively and growing from it, not resisting it. Incorporating adaptability means staying relevant in an industry that constantly evolves. An expert doesn't resist change, they welcome it and find ways to leverage it to their advantage. Over the next week, identify a challenge you faced and how you responded to it. Write a one-page reflection about what you learned from the experience and any adjustments you might make in the future. What challenges have you faced in maintaining an adaptable or resilient mindset? Do you find it easy to stay open to feedback, or is it something you're working on? Let's talk about these experiences in the comment section. To cut a long story short, developing an expert mindset is a continuous journey that involves resilience, openness to learning, strategic thinking, and adaptability. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.